Have you ever tried to capture some stunning aerial shots but could not afford a pricey drone or a cable cam setup? Then look no further. My name is Haris Khan, you are watching Unobtainium, and in this video we'll be talking about how I fabricated a cable cam setup using my 3D printer and some 3D modeling software tools. So let's get started. So first let's talk about what a cable cam is. A cable cam is a camera that moves along a cable, allowing for smooth, steady shots from different angles. They are often used in film and video production, and I have always wanted to make one of my own. First thing first, I had to design the cable cam using Autodesk Fusion 360 software. The software was a bit challenging to navigate at first, but after some trial and error, I finally got the hang of it. I spent countless hours coming up with the perfect design that would make the cable cam not only look cool, but also work flawlessly. The next step was to bring the design to life using my trusty Creality Ender 3 3D printer. This was a true test of patience as it took hours to print the cable cam. Watching the 3D printer slowly and steadily create the piece was like watching paint dry. But the wait was worth it when the final product was ready. Assembling the cable cam was no easy task and put my engineering skills to the test. It required a lot of trial and errors, but I was determined to make it work. It was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, but I was up for the challenge. Finally, after hours of tweaking and adjusting the cable cam, it was ready to put to the test. And let me tell you, the results were absolutely stunning. The cable cam was smooth and stable, capturing footage that was nothing short of breathtaking. It was amazing to see all my hard work come to fruition and to see the cable cam work exactly as I had envisioned it. So, if you are considering creating your own cable cam, I highly recommend it. Whether you are an engineer, a filmmaker, or just somebody who loves to tinker with new gadgets, building a cable cam is a fun and rewarding experience. So why not give it a try? Who knows, you might even surprise yourself with what you can accomplish. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next. Bye-bye.